Chapter 9. Government Agencies and Programs. CGHS, Central Government Health Scheme. CGHS provides medical services to government employees and pensioners. It covers healthcare, medicines, and hospital treatments. The scheme operates in major cities across India. It ensures quality medical care for government workers. NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. NCERT is responsible for creating school textbooks in India. It helps improve the education system with research and teacher training. Most CBSE schools follow NCERT books for studies. It also develops learning programs and online resources. PAN Permanent Account Number. PAN is a unique 10-digit number used for financial transactions. It is issued by the Income Tax Department of India. Every taxpayer, including individuals and businesses, needs a PAN. It helps track income and prevent tax evasion. ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. ONGC is India's largest company for oil and gas production. It explores and extracts oil and gas from land and sea. The company helps meet India's energy needs. It also contributes to India's economic growth. AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. AIIMS is a group of top medical colleges and hospitals in India. It provides high-quality medical education and healthcare. Many students dream of studying at AIIMS to become doctors. AIIMS hospitals treat patients from all over the country. Hriday Heritage City Development and Augmentation Yojana. Hriday is a government scheme to protect India's heritage cities. It helps restore historical buildings and improve city infrastructure. The scheme makes heritage sites more attractive for tourism. Cities like Varanasi, Amritsar, and Ajmer are part of Hriday. BSNL Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. BSNL is a government-owned telecom company in India. It provides telephone and internet services to people. BSNL connects even remote areas with mobile networks. It was one of the first companies to offer landline services. FDI, Foreign Direct Investment. FDI is when a company from another country invests in India. It helps create jobs and boosts the Indian economy. Many global companies like Amazon and Google invest in India. FDI helps improve industries like technology, retail, and manufacturing. GAIL Gas Authority of India Ltd. GAIL is a company that supplies natural gas across India. It helps in the production of clean energy for industries and homes. The company also builds pipelines to transport gas safely. GAIL plays an important role in reducing pollution by promoting gas usage. BSE Bombay Stock Exchange. BSE is the oldest stock exchange in Asia, located in Mumbai. It allows people to buy and sell company shares. The stock market helps businesses raise money for growth. BSE tracks the economy and financial health of India. Fun fact: the Niti Aayog was earlier known as Yojana Aayog or Planning Commission.